Understanding doesn't stack up, an English phrase explained. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English phrases. Specifically, we'll explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, doesn't stack up. This phrase is common in both spoken and written English, and understanding it can really enhance your language skills. So, let's get started. The phrase, doesn't stack up, is used to express that something is inadequate or fails to meet expectations. It's often used in comparisons, where one thing doesn't measure up to another. The visual metaphor here is stacking items up against each other to see which one is taller or more substantial. When something doesn't stack up, it's like saying it doesn't reach the same height or level as something else. Understanding where a phrase comes from can often help us remember it. The phrase, doesn't stack up, likely originates from the physical act of stacking objects, a task where the stability and height of the stack are important. If something doesn't stack up, it implies that it's not contributing to the stack's height or stability as expected. Let's see some examples to understand better how to use doesn't stack up in different contexts. 1. Comparing products. I tried the new laundry detergent, but it just doesn't stack up to my usual brand. 2. Assessing performance. His performance in the recent match didn't stack up against his previous games. 3. Evaluating arguments. Her arguments in the debate didn't stack up to the strong evidence presented by her opponent. A common mistake learners make is using doesn't stack up in a positive context. Remember, it's used to denote inadequacy or failure to meet a standard. It's not appropriate for positive comparisons. And that's a wrap on the phrase, doesn't stack up. Remember, it's all about something not being good enough compared to something else. We hope this video has helped clarify this phrase for you. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll find that English phrases don't just stack up, they become an easy part of your language toolkit. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.